Welcome to another video. I've seen a lot of people do this, but I record on tablet, so I can't use the sound. But let's start. My first skin. My favorite skin. The skin that I used to wear, but I don't like it anymore. My least favorite skin. The skin I don't use. There we go. Wait, I will be doing a fishing, I will be doing some fishing videos, next time I go fishing and stuff, so stay tuned for that.